In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a table into Google Docs. Whether you're organizing data, creating a schedule, or making a list, adding a table can significantly enhance the clarity and presentation of your information. So, let's dive into the process and make it as simple and straightforward as possible. First things first, you'll want to decide exactly where in your document you'd like the table to appear. To do this, position your cursor at that precise spot. A well-placed table can really make a difference in how your document reads, so take a moment to ensure it's in the right location. Next, direct your attention to the top of your Google Docs window. You'll notice a range of options, but what we're interested in is the Insert menu. Click this and a drop-down menu will appear. Inserting elements like images, charts, and of course tables can all be done from this menu. Once you have the drop-down menu open, look for the option labeled Table. You'll want to hover your cursor over Table, which will trigger a grid to appear on your screen. This is where you'll determine the dimensions of your table. The grid allows you to select how many rows and columns you need. As you move your mouse over the grid, you'll see a preview of your table that updates in real time, showing you exactly what your selection will look like. This feature is incredibly handy for visualizing the structure of your table before you commit to it. After you've carefully considered and chosen the right number of rows and columns, it's time to insert the table into your document. Simply click once on your chosen grid size, and voila! Your table will appear exactly where you positioned your cursor. It's really that easy. At this point, your table is ready for you to start entering data. You can click inside each cell to fill in your information. Remember, tables are incredibly flexible. You can adjust row heights and column widths to better fit your content. You can also add more rows or columns later if you find you need them. And that's it. You've successfully added a table to your Google Doc. This process not only helps to present your data neatly, but also adds a professional touch to your document. So go ahead, give it a try, and see how it can help organize your work seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and enjoy expanding your document skills with this simple yet effective tip.